Hello everybody. The question is how? We know that WhatsApp is one of the most messaging application nowadays. The question is, the keyword is how WhatsApp can support the blended learning. This is my experience. This year I applied WhatsApp to handle linguistic and research classes, especially for semantic, discourse, and eco-linguistic classes. 85 students were drowned. Several instruments such as decoding, existing document, and content analysis were applied. The implementation of this model was in even semester. Hi, hello everybody. I think it is not the difficult slide, but it is not my point. My point is how to set up WhatsApp group to support blended learning and student-centered learning. As we know that one of the basic principle, one of the criteria of student-centered learning is how to create the students learn. Um, so of course we have to set up a group in WhatsApp application whose members consisting of both students and lecturers. So the problem is we have some WhatsApp group, right? In order to make grouping and searching easily, I suggest you WhatsApp group course name must be made under several indicators. The first one, I suggest you all course name must be written in capital letters. It may have us, yeah. Trust me. And then I combine the abbreviation of class into C or class in Bahasa into K. I also combine the abbreviation of strata into S1, S2, S3 without space. Um, and do not forget to put subject name, of course. But there is a problem. What about when the subject name is more than 2 words? What should we do? In this case, I use the content word, not the function word. For example, the subject of Introduction to Discourse Analysis, I use IDA. Introduction to School of Linguistics, I use ISL, and so on. So do not forget to put class code A, B, O1, O2, and fast track, etc. This is one of the example. Yeah, CS1 semantic B. It means that this is a C class. S1 it means that diploma class, and semantic a kind of one of the linguistic class, and B, and it is B, not A class, etc. Hi, this is one of the important slide in related to video presentation. The question is, can our students present their own videos, their own presentation through WhatsApp's group? The answer is simple. Of course, yes. Everybody knows that. As we know that WhatsApp users can exchange not just text, messages, voices, and images, but also videos and audios. These items can be used to support our learning programs, of course. In my class, I have used these items to support the students' presentation through their own videos. So, what what about the tips? First, teachers or lecturers share their direction or some general direction of online class to guide our class. And then more focus. Teachers show, yeah, this is the most important thing. And then teachers also share paper guideline, slide guideline, and video guideline, and rubric, of course. And then ask our students both individually or groups to make a paper, slide, and video um, from the field research and or article of the book chapters or journal article, and according to our direction. As the previously mentioned, paper, slide, and video in my class, for example, have a particular format. And then ask the students to share their own papers, slide, and videos. Next slide is one of the instruction examples. This is one of the example of assignment instruction and students feedback. To the next step about the video presentation procedures. The video should have some good criteria. First, the video content must come along with the material offered by the lecturer or team, and it must come together with both paper and slide already sent to the email or Unan Island or others the weeks before. The technique of video presentation is not reciting either the paper or the slide. The participant will acquire low score when this is done. The video is meant to run duration 5 to 7 minutes. The video made through combination of cover, photo, writing, voice, and or animation will be given a special point. Do not forget to put an introduction about the video mentioning, and also video title. Video title has to run together with language use. When the language used is English, that the video title must be in English. When the video is Bahasa Indonesia, therefore, the title should also be in Bahasa Indonesia, or in Bahasa. The presenter's video is uploaded to WhatsApp group in time particularly set up according to class conditions, student number group, and number of contact hour. Hi, this is the last slide related to class participants. In my class, all class members should ask questions or response to the presenters individually or in group minimally 5 times during the online contact hour. The characteristic of questions having high point is the one carries critical substance and analysis from reliable sources, such as to criticize or to add information or to add example or to deny and the like. The one asking questions should mention or write down his name, her name, or her name first. Okay, the presenters, the individual or in group, receiving questions, criticism or input have to answer it depends on reliable sources. Right, this is an interesting one. Other questions or answer may make us of text or voice messages or may also be with auxiliary of emotion of raise hand, for example, thumb, like marker, and the like. And do not forget to use an understandable formal language and polite language by all WhatsApp participants. Remember that we have the universal ethical violating expression and we have information and electronic transaction law in Indonesia. Thank you. See you.